Want to bring a touch of luxury into your home and bathroom while making everyday life easier? These Amazon gadgets combine elegant design with smart function, perfect for elevating your space and simplifying routines. All the links you need are in the description below. A clever twist on a bathroom essential. This toilet paper holder doubles as a compact storage box, giving you a handy spot for wet wipes, pads, or even small items like garbage bags. Close the lid, and your wipes stay moist and fresh for next time. Made from sturdy stainless steel, it's waterproof, fingerprint resistant, and built to last while keeping your bathroom neat. Washing your hands just got an upgrade. This smart soap dispenser gives you touchless foam in just a quarter of a second, keeping things clean and effortless. The rechargeable battery lasts for months, and the LCD screen even shows the time and battery level. You can adjust how much soap it dispenses, making it perfect for kids and adults alike. Sleek, modern, and hygienic, it's a must-have for any sink. Back itches and dead skin don't stand a chance. This electric back scrubber makes reaching every spot easy, with a long handle and dual head design. Switch between gentle and power modes to match your skin's needs, while the soft bristles keep things comfortable. It's fully waterproof, so you can use it in the shower without worry. Plus, a blocking protection system keeps it safe if something gets stuck mid-scrub. Washing your hands just got a futuristic twist. This automatic foaming soap dispenser works completely touch-free, giving you instant foam in just a quarter of a second. The LED display shows the time, battery, and settings, so it's smart and stylish. You can adjust the foam amount, recharge it easily, and mount it anywhere. Clean hands, no mess, no effort, just wave and go. Step out of the shower and into pure comfort. This towel warmer heats your towels, robes, or even blankets in just minutes, wrapping you in cozy warmth after every bath. Its large bucket design fits multiple oversized towels, while heating coils around the walls keep everything evenly toasty. No cold spots. You can set timers, adjust heat levels, and even add aromatherapy for that spa-like touch right at home. Washing clothes on the go just got way easier. This mini portable washer is small enough to toss in a bag, but powerful enough to clean your essentials while you travel. It runs cordless and rechargeable. No outlet needed, so it's perfect for camping, business trips, or hotel stays. Just drop it in a basin with your clothes and water and let it work its magic. Compact, convenient, and made for life on the move. Gaming just got a serious comfort upgrade. This recliner comes with a plush headrest pillow and segmented padding that keep you relaxed through every level. A built-in cup holder and side pouch mean your drinks and controllers are always within reach. The footrest and backrest move independently, giving you full control while keeping cables safe from tangles. And with a sturdy swivel base that reclines up to 135 degrees, you can lean back, lock in, and game with total confidence. Your home just got a whole lot smarter. This premium smart thermostat learns your routines, keeps every room perfectly balanced, and even saves you money on energy bills. A built-in air quality monitor alerts you when the air needs a refresh, while the smart sensor adjusts the temperature where you actually are. You can talk to it using your voice, whether it's Alexa, Siri, or Google. It's sleek, intuitive, and quietly takes care of comfort for you. Meet the faucet that moves like a robot arm. This 1080-degree swivel extender lets you twist, turn, and aim water exactly where you need it. Two modes switch between a smooth bubble stream for gentle washing and a powerful spray for rinsing tough messes. Built from durable brass, it resists rust and corrosion while filtering out impurities. Easy to install and even easier to love, it makes any sink instantly smarter. Small but mighty, this clever under-counter bin makes cleanup effortless. You can hang it inside a cabinet to hide it away or outside for quick access while you cook. The dual lid design lets you flip it open or slide it forward, perfect for messy meal prep or quick trash tosses. No tools needed, just hang or stick it in place. Compact, tidy, and ready to keep your space spotless. If you're always typing on the go, this foldable Bluetooth keyboard is a total game changer. It unfolds into a full-size keyboard with a built-in touchpad, connects to 3 devices at once, and folds neatly into a sleek leather cover. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and perfect for travel or remote work, giving you a real typing experience wherever you are. Ever wished your sauces could stir themselves while you multitask? This automatic pot stirrer does exactly that. It adjusts to fit different pot sizes, runs quietly for hours, and keeps your soups or risottos perfectly smooth without burning. With variable speed control and cordless convenience, it's like having a personal sous chef that never gets tired of stirring. This isn't your average humidifier. It's like having a mini rainstorm right on your desk. The raindrop feature gently drips while diffusing your favorite essential oils, turning any room into a spa-like escape. It runs quietly, glows softly with 7 calming LED colors, and keeps the air fresh all night long. Perfect for anyone who loves cozy, peaceful vibes at home. Doing a quick wash has never been this easy. This mini portable washing machine is designed for underwear, socks, and small garments, perfect for travel, dorms, or small apartments. It deep cleans with powerful rotation and blue light sterilization for extra hygiene. You can choose a 5 or 15-minute wash right from its touchscreen. Compact, rechargeable, and waterproof, it lets you do laundry anywhere, anytime. If you've ever wanted cleaner air without the constant filter hassle, this Purifier has you covered. It automatically monitors air quality, adjusts on its own, and even connects to Wi-Fi so you can control it from your phone or smart assistant. The washable pre-filter keeps things simple, while its quiet sleep mode makes it perfect for bedrooms. Breathe easier, sleep better, and let it handle the hard work for you. If your air feels dry or your plants look a little sad, this smart humidifier quietly brings life back into your space. It runs for days without refilling, adjusts automatically, and even connects to voice control for hands-free use. Whether you're sleeping, working, or caring for plants, it keeps everything feeling calm, fresh, and perfectly balanced. This elegant fluted vanity instantly elevates any bedroom setup. It features a stunning, oversized mirror surrounded by customizable LED lighting that mimics natural, warm, or cool tones, perfect for flawless makeup. The sleek glass top lets you see your essentials neatly arranged below, while multiple drawers and shelves keep everything organized. Plus, it even includes a built-in charging station for all your beauty tools and devices. Your favorite sneakers deserve the spotlight literally. This levitating shoe display uses magnetic power to make your shoes float mid-air, spinning silently like a work of art. Built-in LED lights highlight every detail, turning your kicks into a glowing centerpiece. Made from clear acrylic, it fits right in with any modern setup. Perfect for collectors, stores, or anyone who loves showing off their style in a futuristic way. Cold mornings don't stand a chance against this compact wall outlet heater. Just plug it in, and you've got instant warmth right where you need it. No bulky unit taking up floor space. The digital thermostat lets you set the exact temperature, and it cycles on and off to keep things steady. A built-in timer adds convenience, and the quiet operation makes it perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or home offices. This table doesn't just sit in your space, it glows in it. Crafted from epoxy resin and wood, it lights up with a soft RGB glow that looks straight out of a fantasy movie. Whether you're using it as a coffee table or a side table, it brings a magical, one-of-a-kind vibe to any room. The built-in sensor responds to touch or motion, making it feel alive. Its furniture meets art with a touch of wonder. Movie night just got an upgrade. This hot air popcorn maker whips up a big batch of fresh, fluffy popcorn in minutes. No oil needed. It's quick, easy, and way healthier than microwave bags. Plus, the measuring cup on top doubles as a butter melter for that perfect finishing touch. Compact, cute, and perfect for cozy nights or hosting friends. Looks like an ordinary book, but open it up and you'll find a hidden safe inside. This clever lockbox blends right into your shelf, perfect for stashing cash, jewelry, or small valuables. It's made of sturdy metal with a secure key lock, keeping everything discreet and protected. Lightweight and portable, you can take it on trips or keep it tucked between novels. Your secrets safely shelved. Nights just got a little cozier. This modern plug-in nightlight knows exactly when to shine, turning on at dusk and off at dawn all by itself. You can adjust the brightness anywhere from a faint glow to full illumination, perfect for any room in your home. The warm, soft light is gentle on your eyes and comforting for kids afraid of the dark. Simple, stylish, and energy smart. It's the light that thinks for you. Say goodbye to soggy counters and endless wiping. This smart silicone splash guard wraps snugly around your faucet, guiding water straight back into the sink with its built-in 7-degree slope. The snap lock ends keep it firmly in place. No sliding, no leaks. It's flexible, foldable, and even cut to fit for a perfect seal. Use it as a drying mat, sponge caddy, or soap shelf. A cleaner, drier sink area starts here. Running out of places to stash your shoes? This foldable organizer holds up to 18 pairs across 9 tidy tiers and sets up in just minutes with no tools. Each compartment lets you see what's inside while keeping dust out. It's lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for closets, entryways, or bedrooms. And with an anti-tip design, it stays safely upright no matter how full it gets. This wooden folding ladder chair is the perfect mix of charm and practicality. It easily transforms from a sturdy step stool into a stylish chair or display stand in seconds. Crafted from solid wood, it's durable yet lightweight, making it ideal for reaching high shelves, displaying plants, or even using as extra seating. A timeless, space-saving piece that adds both function and warmth to any room. Bring your garden indoors with this smart hydroponic growing system that lets you grow herbs, veggies, or flowers all year round. It uses powerful LED lights to mimic natural sunlight, helping plants grow faster and healthier. No soil needed. The built-in water pump keeps everything perfectly hydrated, and the adjustable height design grows with your plants. A perfect blend of tech and nature for any home gardener. Cleaning windows is usually the worst chore, until now. This electric squeegee sprays, wipes, and vacuums in one smooth motion. Just press a button, glide it across your glass, and you're left with a streak-free shine. No drips, no paper towels, no stress. It's lightweight, cordless, and so easy to use, it actually makes window cleaning feel kind of fun. Step out of the shower and wrap yourself in warmth. This wall-mounted towel rack heats your towels so they're always cozy and dry. You can control it with your phone, set schedules, or even use your voice with Alexa or Google. The sleek stainless steel design is waterproof and saves space in your bathroom. With adjustable temperature and a built-in timer, it's luxury made simple. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.